In today's video, I will walk you through how to track crypto prices on Gate. Keeping an eye on cryptocurrency prices is essential whether you're an active trader or a long-term investor. Gate provides real-time market data, interactive charts, and useful tools that make it easy to monitor the market. While you can view some market information without signing in, logging into your account gives you access to additional features like favorites and price alerts. From the home page, click on Markets in the main navigation menu. This section displays all the cryptocurrencies listed on Gate. You'll see real-time information for each trading pair, including the current price, 24-hour percentage change, trading volume, and other key market data. The list updates continuously to reflect live market activity. Use the search bar to find the cryptocurrency you're interested in. You can search by the coin's name, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or by its ticker symbol, such as BTC or M. Once you find the asset, click on its trading pair to open the detailed market page. Here, you'll be able to see the live price chart, recent trades, order book, and additional market statistics. On the trading page, use the interactive chart to track price movements over different time frames. You can switch between intervals such as 1 minute, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, or longer-term views, depending on your trading style. And that's how to track crypto prices on Gate.